Over 60, this forgotten seed supports muscle strength better than most proteins. What if I told you that there's a tiny forgotten seed, one most seniors walk past every day, that quietly delivers more usable protein, minerals, and muscle-supporting nutrients per bite than many popular protein foods? No shakes, no expensive supplements, no gym required. Yet after 60, when muscle loss, weakness, and fatigue start creeping in, most people are never told about it. Has this ever happened to you? You eat what you think is healthy, maybe even add protein to your meals, but you still feel weaker, slower, or tire out faster than you used to. And here's the scary part. Ignoring this can be costly. Loss of muscle after 60 doesn't just affect strength. It increases fall risk, slows metabolism, weakens immunity, and can quietly steal independence year by year. That's why today's video is so important. In this video, you'll discover one overlooked seed that research shows is exceptionally dense in plant protein, amino acids, and minerals that help support muscle, energy, and healthy aging, especially for seniors. And before we go any further, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the Green Health channel because we share practical, senior-focused nutrition and wellness tips you can actually use in daily life. Let me know in the comments, where are you watching from today? And have you ever felt like your body just doesn't respond to food the way it used to? Now here's why you need to stick around, because in just a minute, I'll explain why this seed is absorbed so efficiently, how to eat it the right way, and the one mistake that cancels its benefits completely if you're over 60. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. The exact seed. The seed we're talking about is hemp seeds, also called hulled hemp seeds or hemp hearts. These are non-psychoactive, legal, and widely used as a nutrient-dense food, not a drug or supplement. They contain zero intoxicating compounds and are safe for everyday dietary use when consumed normally. Why hemp seeds stand out for seniors? As we age, the body becomes less efficient at digesting and using protein, which is why many seniors eat protein but still lose muscle. Hemp seeds stand out because they are a complete plant protein. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for plant foods. These amino acids are critical for maintaining muscle tissue, supporting recovery, preserving strength and mobility after 60. Unlike many proteins that are hard to digest, hemp protein is primarily made of edestin and albumin, 2 highly digestible proteins that are easier on aging stomachs. High protein density per serving. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide approximately 10 grams of protein, minimal carbs, no added sugar, no cholesterol. This makes them ideal for seniors who struggle with appetite, don't tolerate heavy meals, or want muscle support without overeating. Rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, these minerals play a huge role in muscle contraction and relaxation, nerve signaling, energy production, and preventing cramps and weakness. Magnesium deficiency is especially common in older adults and is linked to muscle fatigue and poor sleep. Healthy fats that support muscle and inflammation balance. Hemp seeds naturally contain omega-3 fatty acids, omega-6 fatty acids in a near-ideal ratio. These fats help support joint comfort, muscle recovery, cardiovascular health, and brain function. This matters because chronic inflammation can worsen muscle loss over time. How to eat hemp seeds correctly. This part matters. Many people buy hemp seeds but use them the wrong way, reducing their benefits. Best daily amount for seniors: 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. No need to overdo it. Consistency matters more than quantity. Best ways to eat them. Hemp seeds are delicate and should not be cooked at high heat. Sprinkle over oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, soups after cooking, salads, steamed vegetables. Mix into soft foods for easy chewing, protein bowls, mashed avocado or hummus. Mistakes to avoid: Don't fry or bake them at high temperatures. Don't mix them with excessive sugar. Don't rely on them as your only protein source. They work best as a daily booster, not a replacement for balanced meals. Best time to take hemp seeds: morning for sustained energy, with meals for better absorption, evening fine as well, especially for muscle maintenance overnight. There's no strict timing rule. Regular daily use is the key. Why seniors benefit more than younger adults. As we age, protein absorption declines, muscle breakdown increases, recovery slows. Hemp seeds help by providing easily usable nutrients without stressing digestion, making them particularly helpful for seniors over 60, people with reduced appetite, those avoiding heavy animal proteins. Hemp seeds are considered a food, not a medical treatment. Safe for most people when eaten in normal amounts. If you have allergies or medical conditions, consult a healthcare professional. Hemp seeds won't replace movement, good sleep, or balanced meals, but when used consistently, they can quietly support muscle health, energy, and strength as you age. That's why this small seed deserves a place in a senior's daily routine. As you've seen, small daily nutrition choices can make a meaningful difference over time, especially when it comes to maintaining strength, mobility, and overall well-being as we age. The key isn't extreme changes, but consistent, balanced habits that support your body naturally. If you're thinking about adding new foods to your routine, remember that everyone's body is different. It's always wise to start slowly and, when needed, talk with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe to Green Health for more practical, evidence-based tips focused on healthy aging, strength, and everyday wellness after 60. And let us know in the comments, what's one healthy habit you're currently working on? Your experience might encourage someone else today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.